This video will be about the Linksys AE1200, the N300 USB adapter. This USB adapter will work for laptops, desktops, and game consoles. If the Wi-Fi on your devices stop working, this is a great way to get you connected again. If you have older Wi-Fi technology on a device, this N300 adapter will give you up to 300 megabits per second for that device. It's simple to install with the Easy Setup Wizard, and it uses USB 2.0 technology. This USB adapter is backwards compatible with all Wi-Fi technologies and will connect to any Wi-Fi based router that you currently have or that you plan on getting in the future.